Hello, we are discussing about the GATE 1992 ECE paper, and this is one more question related to the electronics. An N-channel JFET has a pinch off voltage of Vp minus 5 volts, VDS maximum of 20 volts and transconductance Gm of 2 milliampere per volt. The minimum on resistance is achieved in the JFET for what values of VGS and VDS the minimum on resistance can be achieved. A, B, C, D are going to be options are given. So minimum on resistance. First of all, resistance of JFET. Resistance of JFET is also called as output resistance or drain resistance. Drain resistance. Output resistance or drain resistance, it is indicated as RDS is equal to VDS divided by ID for a given value of VGS. So RDS will be small whenever ID is large, because ID is in the denominator, so that if ID is large at that time RDS will be small. So what is the maximum value of ID you may get for a given JFET is nothing but that is called as IDSS. So we can write RDS minimum is nothing but RDS on is going to be treated as VDS divided by IDSS. This is treated as on resistance. So this is also written as RDS on is equal to VDS divided by ID with VGS is equal to 0. The maximum current, drain current, is possible only when VGS is equal to 0. That maximum current we call it as IDSS, that is drain to source saturation current. So that is the maximum current possible. So that is possible only with VGS is equal to 0. We can add the same definition as RDS is equal to RDS on. It will become RDS on whenever VGS is 0. So that RDS on can be written as VDS by ID with VGS is equal to 0. But when this will become minimum? Now we are getting the RDS on, that is nothing but smallest resistance possible. That is possible only when you are getting largest possible current. So this is the smallest resistance you will get, so that it is normally treated as on resistance also. But here we are interested in minimum on resistance. Minimum on resistance is possible whenever you are reducing the numerator, because denominator part already completed. It has increased to a maximum value by giving VGS is equal to 0. And now by reducing the numerator we can get the RDS small. So the minimum RDS is possible whenever VDS is going to be reduced. VDS can be reduced ideally towards 0. So RDS on will become minimum RDS on, that is nothing but minimum on resistance is possible with VGS is equal to 0 and VDS is equal to 0. This is, so the option is B. Option is B. So minimum on resistance is achieved for JFET when VGS is equal to 0 and VDS is equal to 0. Thank you.